Hi everyone, today we're going to make mouth-watering sweet and sour ribs. This is as simple as boiling water, and we're going to add a drop of oil. First, let me show you the ribs. I have 1.5 pounds of baby back ribs, and you can also use the spare ribs. I got it from an Asian market. They already cut into strip like this. And first we're going to remove the membrane. Just use a knife, carefully pull up the end like this. Then use a paper towel or towel, hold it, and then grab it like that. This is the last piece. Now we're going to cut into about 1.5 inches long. Just cut in between the bones like that. Now we're going to boil the ribs. We add the ribs into cold water. And add a few slices of ginger and some Sichuan peppercorns. Turn this heat to high and bring this to boil. Now the water is boiling. Make sure we skim the top. And we'll let it cook about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to strain the ribs. First, we'll add about cup and a half water. Then we'll add the ribs. Then we add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons cooking wine. And a little bit salt. And 1 tablespoon rock sugar or regular sugar. Bring this to boil. Now the water is boiling. We add the 2 green onions. And turn the heat to medium low. We cook about 45 to 1 hour. After 45 minutes, let's open the lid and we'll turn the heat to high. So let the water evaporate. It's about 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 minutes, let's take out the green onions. Then we're going to thicken it with, this is 2 tablespoons vinegar plus 1 tablespoon starch. And our ribs are ready. Very delicious sweet and sour ribs. Hope you guys are going to enjoy it. As I always say, simple cooking, healthy living. Check out my t-shirt. They're just as simple as my cooking. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.